In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in HubSpot CRM. If you need to clean up your pipeline, remove a duplicate, or get rid of a deal that was created by mistake, HubSpot makes that process fairly straightforward. The important thing to remember is that deleting a deal is a permanent action, so it's a good idea to double-check that you're removing the correct record before you confirm anything. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're logged in, look at the main navigation menu near the top of the screen. Click on CRM, and from the drop-down options, select Deals. This will take you to your Deals dashboard, where you can view the full list of deal records currently in your account. Next, locate the deal you want to delete. Depending on how many deals you have, you may need to scroll through the table or use the available filters and search tools to find the exact one you're looking for. Take a moment here to verify the deal name and any other visible details so you can be confident you've selected the right record. Once you've found the correct deal, click the checkbox next to it. Selecting that checkbox activates the action bar at the top of the Deals table. In that action bar, click Delete. This tells HubSpot that you want to remove the selected deal from your CRM. At this point, a deletion confirmation message will appear. Read this message carefully before moving forward. It's there to make sure you understand that the deal is about to be permanently removed. This is a helpful pause point, especially if you're working quickly or deleting multiple records during cleanup. If everything looks correct, confirm that you want to delete the deal. Then click Delete to permanently remove it. Once you do that, HubSpot will process the request and take the deal out of your deals list. Finally, verify that the deal no longer appears in your deals list. This last check is useful because it confirms that the deletion was successful and that the record is no longer active in your pipeline view. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a deal in HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.